All right. Third time is the charm. Heather Hooker here from the Fit Mom Tribe. If I am sideways, turn your phone around because Facebook likes to play with me. But I just wanted to share something that has been working really well for my family for the last month or two. And I can tell you honestly that I was the biggest skeptic. You are never, ever, ever gonna convince me that these oils cure all ailments. I just don't believe that. But after a particularly challenging afternoon with my kiddos during the summer, can anybody identify with that? Those summer days feel really long sometimes. If you had a long summer day at least once this summer, can you do the emoji where the girl's like me? Drop that emoji down below. So we were having, this was at the beginning of the summer, we were having one of those days where it was like one of y'all's got to go. It's either me or the kids. And so I started looking online for different things, books. Laura's like, me. Yeah, so we were having one of those days, okay? And so I start Googling and I'm like, you know, what can I do? I just want everything to be calm. I want a calm household. I want calm children. Like I need, Nicole says me, Mariana, me. I need some extra tools in my toolkit for when people start acting crazy around here, okay? So I found this little kit on Amazon, and it is, it was these 5 little rollers, and I will link this below if you guys want to grab it. As soon as I hop off this video, I'll link it if you think that this would help you. And the only reason why I'm sharing this is because, like, we've been using it for a couple months and we actually really love it and it's helping us, and I don't know if it's, I don't really know what it is. I don't know if it's like a placebo effect or what, but so you get 5 of these little things. They're just little roller balls. And let me show you, there's 2 that we haven't used yet. Let's see. Okay, so this is our favorite one. So this one is, Hanky, you wanna come say hello?
Hello to who?
To this video, come say hello.
But all is a light.
No, come over here, look. Say hello. Say hello. Look, what have we been doing with this every night? Putting it on us. Do you like to use this? Does this help you go to sleep at night?
No.
It doesn't.
Yeah, I'm stronger than it.
Because you're stronger than it. But you like it, right?
Yeah.
And you you ask mommy, you say, where's my oils?
And then Mom, the feet one tickles me.
When it put it on your feet, it tickles?
Yeah.
Thank you.
There's my Disney toy.
I know, that is your Disney car. All right, let me.
There's my Disney toy.
Yep, that's his Disney car. All right, let me tell my friends about these because we like them. Okay, so this is the one that we have used the most. It's called Nighty Night, and what I like about this is that it's a roller ball. So you don't have to mix anything with coconut oil. You don't have to figure out what magic blend. I don't want to make my own magic essential oil blends. I just don't. I'm sorry. So this is like a pre-diluted roll-on, and it's kid safe. Like it says right here, kid safe. So what we do is we rub this Nighty Night one on chest, and then I rub it on, and then they breathe it in, and it's just become this sort of ritual. So I don't know if it's the oil that's helping them calm down at night, or if it's the ritual of putting on the oil that's helping them. I'm not sure, but we like it. And the kids actually ask me for it at night when we lay down to go to bed. Oh shoot, my second favorite one is actually in my purse. It's in the kitchen. Let me go grab it. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so that was not planned, but it's actually kind of funny that I keep it in my purse. Like you can see it has its own little pocket right here. And you'll understand why in just a second. So this one is called Calming the Child. Calming the Child. And this is what I put on people when they start acting crazy. So most of the time, what I'm sitting up against, it's a window. So this is just like a window treatment. Yes, Yolanda. Yeah, they love it. I was really surprised at how much my kids like to get oiled up at night. So this one's called Calming the Child. Oh, my phone's about to die. This one I actually carry around with me, like you just saw. And when people start getting out of line, now it's become like a threat in our house. If they start acting crazy, I'm like, do you need some calm oil? Which normally makes them laugh, and then they kind of relax, and they either say, yes, I need some calm oil, or they say, no, I'm okay now. And sometimes I use this on myself. So, you know, if things start to get a little Hurricane Heather, I'll just oil myself up. So these two are the ones that we love the most. Those are the ones that we use a lot. And then there's this one, it's called Immune Boom. So immunity, obviously, but I used this one while I was traveling last week, going on and off airplanes. You put this one on, hey mom, you put this one on the bottom of your feet. So it's really good to put on at night. You can put it on the bottom of your feet, put socks on. Hank's been having a little sniffle, so I've been doing this one on him. And then this one, which is called the Sniffle Stopper. This one hasn't worked. I mean, he still has the sniffles. We've been doing this one for a couple days. It hasn't worked at all. I haven't seen any difference. And then these two I haven't used ever, but I'm planning on using them for the back to school season. So if you've got little kids in elementary school, I will keep you updated on how these work, but this one is for attention. So I'm planning on putting this one on Lily for sure. I might put it on Hank, probably not because he's still in pre-K, but I'm definitely going to put this one on Lily before she goes to school so that it will help her focus. We'll see if it works. And then this one is Germ Destroyer. So if you have kids in elementary school, you know that at least once a year there's a nasty, nasty virus that runs its way right through the bottom, right through the school. So I'm planning on using this one as necessary. But yeah, just wanted to share because it's something that I've surprisingly really come to like, and my kids have come to like, and it's helped us. So like I said, I'll post the link below to grab these, but I'd love to know if you have tried oils, if you're skeptical. I'm not like an oil spokesperson. I'm just a skeptic who's kind of been converted. Like, I get it now. It is helpful in certain situations. So anyway, just wanted to share, if you've got little kids, something to look into for sure.